Hi there, welcome to the Smile Identity demo. We'll be using our demo APK to simulate the capabilities of our SDK and APIs. To start things off, I'm going to begin by validating an ID. And at Smile Identity, we have direct integrations with ID authorities across Nigeria, Uganda, Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa. For this particular demo, we're going to be using Kenyan national IDs. So as you can see, all a user would have to do is select their country, the ID type, followed by entering the ID number. For demo purposes, we ask for some brief information on the individual, but essentially all we need is just the country, the ID type, and the ID number. Once all this information is entered, all a user would have to do is click on Enter Now, or rather Upload, and this information will be pushed into the cloud where we conduct our processing. So in this case, you can see that the user was successfully verified, and this was the image that was pulled from the Government ID Authority database. On the right-hand side, as you can see, is the partner dashboard, where you get to see a real-time visualization of all the activity conducted within your account, including your wallet balances. And for purposes of this demo, this is where we'll be demonstrating the actual response returned by the Government ID database. And in this case, you can see within 2 seconds, this is the level of information returned by the ID authority. So the photo, we have time and date stamps of when this took place. And you can see by simply querying an ID number, we're able to pull back the date of birth of the individual, the image, their gender, their surname, the first name, the middle name, the date of issue of the ID, the physical and postal address when they applied for this ID, as well as the serial number and the place of birth. We've standardized this across all the ID types to return all information available for the user.